another Monday video. Okay, so let's get right down to it. I'm mixing up some gray and white paint here with my brayer and just gonna make a big mess. I actually end up being inspired by my fingernail color. Inspiration is everywhere, and use these colors, the gray, the peachy pink color, to kind of pave the way for what turned out being a pretty darn cool page. So if this is your first Monday, well, where the heck have you been? Because I've been doing it for a while. Secondly, welcome. I am almost through with this brochure slash altered book journal. Wow, how much fun has this been? The pages have held up very well. I will be doing a flip through. We have one more page to go after this one. So make sure that you click the subscribe button and that you leave me a comment and say, hey girl, hey. And if you think that I'm crazy, yes, that I am. So as you saw, I'm pretty much just using my fingers today. I have that little piece of blue eco-dyed paper, I think it is, or rust dyed maybe, I'm not sure, and I was just kind of playing with it, and now I'm going to go in with some pastels, and I'm not sure what color this is. I apologize. Y'all know how I roll. I don't keep up with all that, and I throw the packaging away or probably recycle it if you want to know the truth. But I'm really just using my fingers and kind of smoothing out the colors here and there. That was another little doodle that I used in the Use It Up, Fill It Up challenge over on Instagram. And I'm just kind of scratching and scraping back into the paint. And you see I scrubbed a little too hard and ended up making like a little, I call it a peely, like a peeling up of the paper. And I'm going in here with the Stabilo Woody pencil and that pretty peach color that kind of reminded me of the pink that we used as well. And I'm just making, I call this creating the energy within the page. So by doing all the scribbles, the page begins to kind of talk to me. Not like talk to me, I'm not like certifiably crazy, although I am a little cuckoo. Do people say that? Okay, I digress. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of washi tape and I'm going to go over here and just put some random bits just like I would masking tape. Today I'm using some washi though. But the Use It Up, Fill It Up challenge over on Instagram is really fun because you use the things that you already have. You know those things that are collecting dust. That have been put to the back crevices of your studio in hopes that they will disappear. Well, we are using those things, all the things, to create fun, amazing, awesome pages and projects. So, go on over to Instagram, find me, you'll find more about the challenge. Never too late to join, just hop right in. So, as you see, I'm doing pretty much the same thing over and over again. Here I'm going in with the graphite pencil and I'm just scrubbing around and creating some darker values here with that Lyra graphite pencil, and just adding a little bit more gray paint because I guess I thought that it needed it. And here I'm going in with my Stabilo All. And this has got a finer tip and it's also a little bit darker. So I'm just creating some interesting marks and lines that kind of pulls your eye into the page. Or I like to think it's pulling your eye into the page. And I'm pretty much about through with this because I just liked how abstract and interesting and cool and pretty awesome it turned out being. So all I'm really going to add is, you see I added a little bit, I think that's new pastels there, And I'm going to go in, and I did not find any words for this page that really just jumped off of the page at me. So I just said, okay, I'm doing a little dance apparently. I said, okay, that's okay. We don't always need words, but I did have some things that were on my mind. So I grabbed this very fine tip pencil, and as you see, my hand is at the very back, and I'm making very, very scratchy, illegible journaling here. And I'm just kind of journaling out some of the things that were on my mind this day as I was creating this. And it just lended itself to making some very cool, kind of light marks. And like I say, I like things that are not always perfect, and I like the imperfections that happened within this page, as well as some of the very light pastel mark making that went on. So make sure at the end of this that you watch the little close up of the page so you can see it a little bit better as far as like the colors are concerned. And I was looking to see how many pages did I have left, and I found out I only had that one. So I'm just taking a scrap page because on my Monday journal I write down the recipe for what I used. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to write down all of the um I put that I'm brayering the steel gray, and then I went in with this pink by Master's Touch. But I'm just pretty much writing the recipe for all of the things that I used, and some of them I don't really know their names, so I just put that those were pastels. So thanks again, guys, for joining me on another Monday. I hope that you have an absolutely scrummylicious week, and that you come back on my next video, hit the notification button so you can see the next video that goes live. Until next time, guys, toodaloo!